What's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is Anything Auto. What you're looking at right here, this is my new tow pig. Man, gas prices are crazy. I got a little truck, a little Tacoma over there. I tow with it. I tow a boat. Let's be real. You don't tow a boat to go have fun at the lake. You tow a boat to show all your buddies that you can tow. It's getting too expensive to live that lifestyle, though. So I picked up this tow pig. You might be like, oh, that's a motorcycle. Boom. That's a hitch, buddy. Boom, that's a small trailer. So I picked up my tow pig. Issues though, it runs great at idle. I'll show you. But once it bogs down, it has a load on it, it's done. I've ran a full tank of gas through it. The heat's kind of weird. There are some parts I'm going to be putting on today, and I'm just working on the fly. Okay, so this hose goes bad. This is a new fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, gasket seal for the gas tank, as well as a fuel pump, or a fuel filter, my bad. Fuel pump's right there. And then a strainer and some kits. You can hear it's just not perfect. This bike, when I got it, had $1,100. $1,100 worth of work done to it at the BMW dealership. So the guy that I got it from, I bought it for $2,000. Be totally transparent with that. The guy that I got it from was a little frustrated with it. He wanted to have it as a touring bike. It's like, yeah, like it still has a hesitation. It still runs kind of weird. I ran some seafoam through it, hoping that it would be a quick fix, but it was not. So those parts were about $150 to get shipped to my house from eBay. And I'm going to slap them in and see if that does a trick. I think it should. Alright, so it's been about 54 minutes and one snack, just some cheese and crackers. We have some fun in the shop. I haven't even dipped into the fridge yet for some Cokes and whatnot, so this is where we're at. The gas tank's removed. I had to disconnect that's for the pump, and then the two fuel lines right here, these black little lines right there. And then these two vents, and these vents, I want to show you these XXXX. It matches the X's on the gas tank. See, XXXX, and then this is that line that I was talking about right there, and then those are the gas lines. Pretty simple system, very big tank. This side, I'd undo that box for like your documents and whatnot. Take off all the Tupperware, and oh no, we need to get that plugged in. I think it's behind. I don't know where that's at. I don't really care. Some special wiring. Early 2000s luxury bikes. Back in the day, they were doing the best that they could. That's all I'm going to say. But I'm excited to get that torn down and see what's really going on with that gas tank. Not a bad system at all. BMWs are extremely intimidating to me. And a little backstory, I put new tires on this bike. I did a group ride, and I was going up a hill, and it just kept bogging down. So that's why we're here. I thought I had fixed it when I did like this recalibration thing that you can see on the internet. I love these old bikes, though. I want to keep as many on the road as I can. If I can buy one with a problem for a decent price, turn around and sell it to someone else for a decent price, I'll do that all day long. I love working on bikes. I love riding bikes for a little bit, and just a motorcycle fanatic. I love learning these old bikes, and we'll see what happens with this one once I tear into it. Okay, so fuel pump is out, typical BMW fashion. Let me show you what's been going on. Do you see this? All right, so this cut right there, this is your fuel filter. This whole assembly, this picks up the fuel through here, right? And it goes, shoots it through, and it goes out. This is just shooting back into the tank because there's a cut on it. This hose right here is $50. I have a new one sitting right over there. So I'll slap that on. I'll use the new fuel filter. I'm going to probably make a game time decision when it comes to this fuel pump. I might keep the OEM one in there, call it a day. But we'll see. I want to see if it's a perfect match. And if it is, I might switch them out. No, I'll probably let it be. So yeah, that's where all my issues are coming from. I'm for sure going to put a new fuel filter and new hose on. So I'm happy that I had the pump in case I needed it. But I am very certain, very, very, very certain that this is my issue. And that's going to fix this bike and make it pristine again. So it's currently like 10:30. I want to go to the store tonight on this bike. Just a little motivation to do it. My wife and baby girl, they're out of town. Like, my baby girl is in my small child, not two women that I'm into. So I'm going to make them dinner tomorrow, and I want to go to the store to buy I just picked up the gas tank and I spilled gas everywhere. But you see right there, the Coke is good. So this is all buttoned up now. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on, button everything up, get everything plugged back in, and hopefully it runs like a top. Okay, lines are all connected. I got the fuel pump plugged back in. I put a piece of hose in here. Don't judge me on that. It's better than before. At least now it's actually sturdy. So, should have enough gas. Oh, shoot. No. Oh, man. That's what I get for going for the shot with the Coke. Now I'll get this cleaned up. No biggie. Spilled some Coke. Poured some out for the homies. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's see if there's any leaks. I don't want to fire it up if it's leaking already. It's looking good. Nice. I'll let it run for a minute. Let's get checked for leaks. If it were to leak, it should be from somewhere in here on this side, but it's dry. And this should be choked. That's why it's running so weird. Okay, so I ran it a little bit, adjusted the carbs a little bit. Man, listen to this puppy purr. Right at 1,000. Of course, I'm gonna go take it on a test drive. Okay, so here it is. Don't mind the mess. But this is it. It's currently 1 o'clock where I'm at. And I'm going to take it on its first test drive. I'm probably not going to record it because, yeah, it's dark. But everything went back together pretty smoothly. Got all the bags back on. The trailer's out there. I think for the test drive, I'm just going to mob it around. I need to go to the store. But stay tuned for more content on this.